Welcome to Maths 123.
So in this question, it is given that the angle of elevation of a cloud C from a point which is h meters above the lake. So this is my lake. So I have taken that point as P, which is h meter above this lake alpha. So here they have given the angle of elevation of the cloud from point P as equal to alpha. Similarly, also the angle of depression of the reflection of the lake is beta. So here we have taken this C prime as the reflection of this cloud C. So from this point P, the angle of depression for this reflection is equal to beta. So we have to prove that the height of the cloud CE, this CE is equal to h times tangent beta plus tangent alpha divided by tangent beta minus tangent alpha. Let's do this question now. If we see this figure, we'll find that this triangle CMP is 90 degree and also the triangle C prime MP is also a right angle triangle. So we'll use these two triangles to find out the value of the height of the cloud CE. So we are going to use trigonometry to solve this question or to find CE. So for that, let's take CM is equal to x unit. So this CM I have taken as x and it is given that PA is equal to h. So if PA is equal to h, then ME, this ME will also be equal to PA, which is h. So it implies that ME is equal to h. This is equal to h. And we know the height of the cloud and its reflection from the lake will be same. So this implies that the CE is equal to C prime E. So if we see that CE from here, the CE is equal to CM plus ME. So CE we have taken as x and ME is equal to h. So CE is equal to x plus h. So therefore the C prime E will also be equal to x plus h. So this is also our x plus h from here to here. First I'll take this right angle triangle CMP. So if we take this triangle, we'll find that tangent alpha is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here the perpendicular is equal to CM and base is equal to PM. So we'll put CM we have taken as x and PM I'll write as it is. So this implies I can write this as PM is equal to x upon tangent alpha. Let me mark this as equation number 1. Now I'll take this triangle C prime MP. This is also a right angle triangle, and if we see this triangle, my acute angle is beta. So I can write the triangle C prime MP. So in this triangle, the tangent beta is equal to perpendicular. Here the perpendicular is equal to C prime M and the base is equal to PM. C prime M is equal to ME plus EC prime divided by PM. So here we can write this ME is equal to, if we see this, ME is equal to H. So I'll put all the values here, ME and EC prime. So EC prime we have got is equal to x plus h. So we'll put all these values here. So we'll get and we can rearrange it as PM is equal to ME is equal to H plus XCE we got as x plus h divided by tangent beta. So PM is equal to h. This is a 2 times h plus x divided by tangent beta. So let me mark this as equation 2. Now we can compare. This is also PM, this is also PM. So it means the equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So from here we can write this as this from 1 and 2. We got x divided by tangent alpha is equal to 2 times s plus x divided by tangent beta. Now we'll cross multiply here. So we'll get x times tangent beta is equal to 2 times h plus x times tangent alpha. So from here we'll find the value of x. So x times tangent beta is equal to, will multiply here, so this will become 2 times h times tangent alpha plus this will multiply with this x times tangent alpha. So we can write this as, I'll take this to my left hand side, so I'll get here x times tangent beta, so the sign will get changed, so it will become negative x times tangent alpha is equal to 2 times h times tangent alpha. So from here we can take x common, so x times tangent beta minus tangent alpha is equal to 2 times h times tangent alpha. So from here we'll get x is equal to 2 times h times tangent alpha divided by, this will go down, so it will be tangent beta minus tangent alpha. So we got x, we know the height of the cloud from the lake is equal to, CE is equal to CM plus ME, so which is equal to x plus h. So we got CE is equal to, we'll put the value of x here, which is 2 times h times tangent alpha divided by tangent beta minus tangent alpha. So here plus h will come. So now we'll solve this. We'll take the LCM. So we'll get here the LCM is tangent beta minus tangent alpha. This will get 2 times h times tangent alpha plus, and for this we'll get h times tangent beta minus tangent alpha. So we'll get here 2 times h tangent alpha plus h. Now we'll multiply this h with first with tangent beta, and then negative sign will come, then h times tangent alpha will come here. So divided by tangent beta minus tangent alpha. So this is equal to, will combine 2 times h times tangent alpha with h times tangent alpha. So this is 2, this is 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we can write here as h times tangent alpha plus this h times tangent beta divided by tangent beta minus tangent alpha. So E is equal to h times tangent alpha plus tangent beta divided by tangent beta minus tangent alpha. This is what we have to prove here. So this is the height of the cloud from the lake. Thank you for watching.